In this video, we'll learn how to use the advanced search function. While Tailwind provides a number of methods to slice and dice the many list views that appear throughout the application, whether it's filtering on a status, changing the active columns, or using the quick search bar, sometimes you just need more. If you need to filter on multiple terms, search a date range, or use more complicated operators, Tailwind provides an advanced search option to help you see exactly the data you want. To access the search, navigate to the list view that you want to gather the information from. For this example, I'll access my order list. And click on the Advanced Search button that you find at the top of every list. An advanced search will be built one search term at a time. To begin building your search, select the field name that you want to search by. Let's build a report for a particular customer. So I choose the customer, and the operator will define how I'm looking for that customer. So in this situation, I'm going to choose equals, and I will choose the building supply company. Clicking on the plus sign will add that search parameter into my search field, allowing me to detail more information that I'm looking for. Perhaps I'm looking for all orders within a certain pickup date range. So again, my operator will allow me to choose a date range or simply a particular date. I'm going to do a date range here to show you that. So again, in the value now, I can choose the fact that I'm creating a report for August 1st to August 30th, for example. Clicking the plus sign adds it in. As soon as I've got all of my parameters needed, I can add as many fields as I want to search by. I will simply hit the search button and it will return the data to the screen. Maybe I changed my mind and I don't want to do a date range. Using the X at the end of it will remove that search parameter from the current search. But once you have at least one item chosen, you can then hit the search button. When you select a field name, that will activate an operator. The operator will be activated by default, allowing you to choose exactly what you're looking for. If the invoice equals a particular number, or if it's greater than or less than, or between a specific order range, for example. And different operators can help you find the information you're looking for more easily. Each one has its own specific logic, of course. All parameters in the current search can be temporarily turned on or off by using the toggle to the left of the terms. When you run a search, only the terms that are toggled on will be used. This can be useful when using a saved search, where a single search can be set up to serve a number of different purposes, depending on which terms are enabled or disabled. If there is a set of search parameters that you find yourself using over and over, or a filtered view that might be useful to other people at your company, you can save that search so that you can easily come back to it later. To do so, start by building your search. Then once you have the search in place, click on the Save Current Search. This button right here will allow you to then name that search. Orders by date range, perhaps. Once you save it, it will be available for you to run again. Because I have saved this, every time I navigate away from my order screen and come back to it, clicking on my advanced search here in my saved searches will be all of those searches that I have already created, allowing me to quickly choose them, enable or disable, and hit the search button again. Saved searches are available across the application for all Tailwind users in your system. This can be handy if you have multiple people working similar roles in the software who might want to use the same searches, or for quickly getting new hires up to speed. To remove a saved search from the list, simply select the search and then click the Delete Search button. To clear an activated search, you can click the Clear button or the Clear All button in the current search area. Once you have applied an advanced search filter, it is possible to then export the resulting data set, allowing you to store the filtered data or move it to another application for further analysis. To do so, simply run your search, and once the list is showing, you can then hit the Export button located here at the bottom right of the list. This can be a useful tool for supplementing Tailwind's existing reporting tools. We recommend naming your exported files carefully to ensure that you do not mistake them for a complete export of the list. And that's our advanced search functions. Thank you.